Okay, so this is the assembly video for the token drawer, which is going to hold basically all your health and armor trackers and cleared room tokens and all the stat tracker tokens. So you got two individual trays here, which will have little rubber feet on these little dots here. And then this will be the actual drawer portion that these nest into. So like everything, we're recommending gluing all these pieces together. And we'll get started with the assembly here. So to start with the actual drawer. So first one that we're going to put together is take the base. We're going to take this front wall here. I want to make sure that this little notch grab tab is lining up on the left side of the part. It's going to correspond with this piece here, which has got the little logo. So the logo is going on the outside, obviously. The larger slot is going to be on the left side. I put glue in all the valleys here. I'm going to pop this guy in. And then we're going to take that side wall. And we're just going to line that up over that tab, kind of insert it on down, and then work our way down the part. Make sure everything's nice and snug in there. Then we can flip it over and take the other side wall. Oh. So this little notch is going to make it a little bit hard to sit on the base, so just going to hold it while we do it. So we spun it around here. So the little grab tab's still in the front. Take this one, the logo on the outside, and get it lined up on that notch again. Just kind of insert it on its way down. Then we'll take the back wall, do the same thing, just pop it right on the back, kind of get it started, and work our way around. Just like that. And make sure everything's nice and tight. There's the drawer. Okay, set that off the side. So we got two trays. Now the construction of the trays is almost identical, but one of them has an extra middle inner divider wall. So what we're going to do to start these, and we can do this one first here. So this has got the double divider wall. So we're going to start with the divider, pop that into these side walls here. We need to pop both of those in. And glue and glue. I'll pop the next one in. Just like that. And then this whole sub-assembly is going to insert into the base. Now on the base, these little indications are where the little rubber feet that we're providing will go on this floor plate. This is going to sit on the table, and you're going to be using this throughout the game to grab the little stat trackers and everything. So those little rubber feet help it not to move around when you're reaching in and grabbing parts. So you want to have those on the bottom, and you need to know where those need to go so they'll line up with the little notches in the other sidewall there. So we're going to flip that over so the little indications are on the bottom. Then we'll take the walls, you just kind of work it around, so get it started up top. And then you can just kind of work your way down the part. Make sure everything lines up before you get a good squeeze, and just kind of snap it in position there. Okay. We'll take the side walls, the short side walls, do the same thing, so glue all the way around, up in just like that, and then the last one, just like that. And same process on the single divider wall tray. So I'll take this the inner wall, put in the side walls, just like that. And then we're going to flip this guy over and insert this all straight down. Again, just kind of working your way around. So get started right there and right there. And once you get started, it usually goes pretty easy. Okay. And we'll do one of the short side walls. That. And the other one just on the other side. Okay. So now both of these can just nest right in this drawer. And you want to make sure everything's nice and tight to make sure the clearances are all properly set in this thing. You can just do both of those just like that. And now this whole drawer can slide in.